I was scrolling to the charts and I came across this song. So in today's video we're gonna flip it into this Afro House banger. So I sped up the original and dropped it in FL Studio. Something like this. And then we're just gonna extract the acapella from it, giving us this acapella. And then just pitch it down one semitone to avoid copyright strikes and mix it. So first just open up the high ends. Add some reverb. I was in a sheer dress the day that we met. We were both in a rush. Delay. You fretted me up. So open up the high end with fresh air. I was in a sheer dress the day that we met. We were both in a rush. Middle to remove the harshness of the vocal and a sidechain to finish it off to use it in the drop. Altogether sounding like this. I was in a sheer dress the day that we met. We were both in a rush. So now we're gonna dive in those typical Afro House piano chords. I was in a sheer dress the day that we met. We were both in a rush. I loaded up a new piano. I'm using the Labs piano. It's a free one if you want to check it out. So let's start off on the root note on the A sharp. Then we're gonna go up to the C sharp. I was in a sheer dress the day that we met. We were both and all the way up to the D sharp. And just turn it into full chords, adding an extra layer of the root note as well, giving this chord. Same for the second one. Just like this. Last one is a bit too high, so drop it down an octave. And just duplicate the root notes. Like this. Then we're gonna make a little variation. Just like this. So this will be our chord progression. Together with the vocal, it sounds like this. I was in a sheer dress the day that we met. We were both in a rush. We talked for a sec. You fretted me up. Then just remove the low end. And a bit of multiband compression. The sidechain to use in a drop. Then just copy over the root notes and pick a bass from our new sample pack Masquerade. Let's use this one and make it sustained. And just drop in the chords. Sounding like this. So altogether a chord sounds like this. I was in a sheer dress the day that we met. We were both in a rush. We talked for a sec. You fretted me up so we could connect. And what are the odds? You sent me a text. So now we're gonna dive into the Afro House percussion. So let's pick some sounds from our new pack Masquerade. Starting off with a kick, so just drop it in and fit it to the tempo. Giving this foundation. Then drop in some heads. Just some basic drums to start off with a groove. And then we're gonna work on the percussive elements later on. Then we're gonna drop in some perk shots and pan them both to the left and the right to create some more depth in your mix. And then layer it with some percussion loops, fit it to the tempo. Already sounds really groovy, so now we're gonna layer it with some shaker loops. So I just added in these two organic tambourine loops to fill up the drums. And then to finish off the drums, just drop in the drum fill from the pack right at the end, fit it to the tempo. So altogether the drums sound like this. So to finish off the Afro House track, we're gonna add in this typical Afro House lead. I added a new serum. Pick a preset from Masquerade. We're gonna use a plug sound for it. And just use really short notes. Instead of starting on the root, we're gonna start off on the third note of the scale to add some more harmonics to it. And create a rhythm like this. Then go down one semitone. Something like this. And then just mix it. Got a bit too much low end. Just like this. And make it stereo as well. So that's it for all elements. Now I quickly gonna arrange the track. So I just quickly arranged the track to turn it into a full song. We're gonna start off the song with a piano. Also added in an ambience from the pack. Then all the drums. Together with the percussion. Little build up. With some risers. Fresh sounds. And then just all the elements for the drums. And some more automations. So that's how you make an Afro House remix. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.